Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Make.com, the detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type Make.com into the address bar and press enter. Wait for the Make.com homepage to load fully. Look for the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address into the first field. Next, type your password into the second field. Double-check that you have entered your email and password correctly. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you've verified your credentials, proceed to click the Login button. Wait a moment for the system to authenticate your information. If your login is successful, you will be redirected to the dashboard. If you encounter any errors, check for any alerts or messages. Make sure to verify that your internet connection is stable. If issues persist, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. You can also attempt logging in using a different browser or device. After successful login, explore the features available on Make.com. Now you are ready to start using Make.com for your automation needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.